Hey guys, today I'm doing a review of the Epson PowerLight Home Cinema 2030. This projector was $600, $700, something like that, and it was actually it's really nice actually. And so I'm just going to show you my setup in a little bit. I have a screen right here, motorized $80 screen on Amazon. Surround sound speakers right there, right there, and behind the TV, and center speaker and subwoofer and control box over there. So I just put down the screen, and here's the remote, which I will get a little more into detail on later, of the projector itself. And here's the remote for the sound system, which I will show you right now. Over here is the control box. So I just gotta press the power button, it turns on, and it goes to the DVD setting. And what I have, basically, is I have a 3.5 millimeter cable, male to female. And it runs from this box to underneath the carpet to where the projector sits next to the TV, because we don't have it mounted, so it has to sit at an angle, but it has horizontal lens shift, or not lens shift, keystone. So I have that 3.5 millimeter hooked up to an adapter we bought, I forgot where it was, at Home Depot actually, where it goes 3.5 millimeter male into the left and right audio into the back of this, since it doesn't have 3.5 millimeter. So, subwoofer down there, can't see it, but it's down there. So I have basically 3 controllers to control everything. And now let's get into the projector. So we got a power cable. And this projector actually didn't come with a VGA cable. It's kind of surprising because usually they all do. So I'm just going to set this over here. So this is what it looks like. I'll just show you a little. Fairly big. So let's get this power cable, plug it in, and right now what we use as our media center kind of is the PS4 down there to play the movies and whatnot. So you plug it in, right, press the power button, you hear the fans start to go. And we also have an HDMI cord hiding behind here just for this. So we'll plug it in. Plug it in, and it runs behind this entertainment system to the here's the speaker. Run it over there to the PS4, and unplug from the TV and plug into the projector. Plugged in now. Should come up any second, and yes, there you go. Okay, so it's on Netflix right now for some reason, so we'll just align that. Okay, so I'll just take this remote to the PS4, go home. Okay, whatever, so I just take and align this to the screen, because I already have it set up, or I guess, sort of. So yeah, I have it. I'm going to have to realign it later, but this is basically the gist of it. Let's bring this thing down a little bit. Okay, whatever, so we have that hooked up to the PS4, hooked up to the power, and we take this cord hiding under here for the audio, and we then plug it into the back of the projector, and then we get audio through the big system. know, to align the projector with the screen. Oh, let me turn this off. So to align the projector with the screen, there's a button on here that says pattern down there. You see it? Right there, pattern. You press that and it brings us to a screen that looks like this, that has like a cross and some circles, which is basically for aligning, which we don't need to do because it looks fine right there. So for aligning, and you basically use it as a guide to where the projector is pointing and the lens shift, keystone, those types of things. So there's one of the features. Another one is AV mute, which basically turns it off. It just kind of puts it into rest, but it doesn't turn off the projector. The power button does that. So, and then you have the different inputs and some other buttons, miscellaneous. This is 3D capable. So, let's see. The projector itself, I'll go through the settings. So, it's got a menu. We'll go through and, oops. Menu, there we go. So let's see, there's color mode, which changes the different modes. Here's the living room, and here's dynamic. I don't know if you can tell a difference there. So here's dynamic, here's living room. I have it set as living room just because it is a living room, so let's see. Brightness, you know what that does, contrast, color, saturation, tint, sharpness, color temp. I don't know why that's up. Let's see. Advanced. Basically just the different jiggers. Power consumption, you can go to eco. It basically turns down like its usage and just the power consumption. But I would rather have it at a higher brightness. Let's see, 3D setup. You can go into here and like turn on 3D. It's just telling me that it doesn't play in 3D, so turn that off. So yes, it does have 3D on it. You can go into noise reduction and make it quieter. I don't know if that does. Okay, so then you go to different overscan. I'm not sure what that does. Image processing. Lock setting. You can put a child lock and a control panel lock. You can also change the way that it projects. So you can do, if it was on the ceiling, you do this. And it would basically turn it upside down. And if it was rear, you could do this. And it would turn it as if it was from behind. And rear ceiling. So there's many different options. Okay, now it's all jacked up. I'm going to go back into horizontal keystone. Put that back on. Operation, different. There's high altitude mode is where if you're high up, it'll kick the fan into high gear. Let's listen for it. Get a fan right now. different things. Tells you how many lamp hours you have on it. Okay. So this is just, I like this projector. I think it's probably one of the finer ones you can find. Judging by how good it is, you know, it has all the little perks and specs and whatnot, and these good things. I personally like it. It's a really nice projector. It does what it's supposed to do. This is our movie night projector. We basically set it up here when we want to watch movies on the big screen, and it's nice because everybody can see it. Even if you were sitting over here on this part, you can still see it, and you know, get the gist of what's happening. You can still read everything. So that's another thing that I like about it. So I usually sit in the recliner over here. So that's the projector settings. So this is nice for anybody who just wants a projector that can keep away and then put back. It's not, I wouldn't say it's an everyday use projector. I mean, no projector really is. But no, I just realized that I left my projector out of my room. And yeah, here, I'll show you my projector over here. And I made a video on it earlier, but yeah, this is my laptop office setup thing. Let's see. How many hours do I have on this? 87 hours. So this doesn't even have as much as the one in there does. Yeah, that's my setup. So hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe.